as mothers, we face a lot of challenges. Nobody actually, even ourselves, we forget that we're human beings first and then a mother. You know, motherhood comes much later to us in life. We as human beings, who are we as human beings first? So, this is one platform where we wanted to spread out this message that please acknowledge yourself as a human being and then look at yourself as a mother.
And how are you all
So
doing?
first, the human being factor I want from you.
You have been part of my journey. Ruchita, you and Charu have been with me. The kind of person I am, you all know. I mean, you guys know me better than myself as of now. So, see, definitely the journey has been amazing. And whenever I go back to my reports and I'm surprised to myself that, I discover more of myself. These are the possibilities I could have achieved. So one very important achievement that I feel is कि मेरा जो एक threshold है, like I used to get into panic mode very easily, or get disturbed or by things that are happening around the house. अभी मेरा threshold काफी बढ़ गया है. I am not affected the way I used to be before. I'm a much calmer person, or the fact that I have an analytical mind, I'm a concept learner. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ें जो अंदर आई हैं, तो I have realized that there's no point, reacting to things immediately. I can take some more time, and analyze things, and then I can come back with my reactions. Uh, every now and then, because kids are at home, husband is at home, तो काफ़ी चीज़ें घर पे, it's like a house full nowadays, no? So things keep happening with everybody. So, but I mean, if I compare myself to maybe a year back, so I'm a totally different person right now. So that ways it's like different altogether. And I have been, recently, what happened was Janvi broke her little finger. Like she broke her foot ki little finger. Accidentally, she hurt herself. So, Shivani, you're on mute. अच्छा ठीक है, तो अभी 7-8 days बैक, सो वी डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट हर दैट कि वो उसका क्रैक ही हो गया होगा बोन. सो चोट लग गई, बच्चा है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. फिर आफ्टर 2 days वी रियलाइज कि कुछ स्वेलिंग है एंड इट्स पेनिंग. So I contacted my physiotherapist. She said कि नहीं, don't worry, give her ice pack and all, and अभी कहाँ COVID में, you'll go out for x-rays, keep her at home and give her ice pack and everything. We did not expect कि crack हो गया होगा. Now it was 7 days passed and still the smile, swelling and pain was there. So again I contacted her. She said कि भाई X-ray करा लेते हैं. X-ray कराया तो we came to know that the bone has cracked and it is dislocated as well. So there was a panic situation at home. My in-laws, my husband, they were like, we missed on 7 days, and and now what to do? And I was like calm. I was like, see, relax. Now we cannot do anything. We cannot undo things, है ना? Because nobody expected कि bone टूट गया होगा, crack हो गया होगा, ठीक है? Because she wasn't complaining of that severe pain or that severe swelling and all those things. She was moving around the house and doing her own things. So then we took her to an orthopedic, and orthopedic suggested a surgery. ठीक है? So as impulsive Amit is, very well, so he was like, let's go for the surgery. And I was like, no. I asked the doctor. See, I have my set of questions and I'm very stubborn with that, especially in the medical concerns. When there are medical concerns, I'm very stubborn. I have to ask questions. So I asked the doctor, see, what are the benefits of getting the surgery done? And what are the harms of not getting it done? What are the pros and cons? ठीक है? He said that the benefit तो ये है कि हड्डी जुड़ जाएगी, you'll have a perfect X-ray, and फायदा नुकसान ये है कि future में she might not be able to wear narrow fit shoes. So I asked him, is it that important for her to wear a narrow fitted shoe in future for a fashion thing that मैं उसको COVID times में 24 hours के लिए admit करूँ, I give her anesthesia, she undergoes a surgery and all those things. My husband was like, नहीं नहीं, we'll get it done. 50-60 की बात है, and he went for the quotation and everything he was doing. So I contacted 2 orthopedics, one in Noida, one in Bombay, on phone. I sent them the report, X-rays. They said कि कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है करवाने की, because हम we don't consider the fifth finger active, like it doesn't have any functional utility, that finger. उसको आप छोड़ सकते हो, you will not come to know कि क्या उसमें कभी कुछ हुआ भी है, because nothing is visible ऊपर से. So again, Amit wasn't like convinced, and I asked my doctor in Noida. He turns out to be like my brother-in-law. So I told Bhaiya, we are coming tomorrow to Noida. So he was like, why, Bhabhi, why do you want to come to Noida? And I'm telling you, koi zarat nahi, but I wanted Amit and myself to be on the same page to take the onus of the decision. I, being a parent, I single-handedly cannot take the onus of the decision. So I took Amit and Janvi there, and in front of Amit, the doctor said, see, Bhaiya, this is not required, and these things aap kar lo, and she'll be totally fine, no worries. That was an achievement, कि अमित को समझा पाना, कन्विंस कर पाना. He was like, चलो सेम पेज पे. And there was one more challenge to make Janvi understand the same thing. She also, required to know that something has happened to me and why we are not doing a certain thing for her foot. She should not be, I'm answerable to her कि मेरे को एक चोट लगी थी और आपने मेरे को नहीं सर्जरी कराया. So I told her the entire process, the pros and cons of it. She Janvi, if you get this, she was like, हाँ मामा ठीक है, that is not so important. मैं तो अभी भी नहीं पहन पाती हूँ narrow fit के shoes because my toe is anyway so broad, So then I had a sense of satisfaction. I did not panic. थोड़ा सुनने को मिला घर से, एक हफ्ता तो ऐसे ही वेस्ट हो गया, पहले कुछ नहीं किया, इन लॉज की तरफ से. बट अभी तो मैं बहुत ढीठ हो चुकी हूँ. So I just don't bother. I just let them be. मैं कहा नहीं ठीक है, we were doing our things, whatever possible, and we did not expect things to happen this way. And whatever now it is, she's fine. So so this was one moment जहाँ I have had a lot of hardship with Suhani, as you know. There's been a lot of exposure. So and the doctor congratulated me. He asked me कि are you a doctor? Are you a medico? So I said no, मैं बनते बनते रह गई. तो कहते नहीं आपको बन जाना चाहिए था. So these things come from outside. घर में तो nobody appreciates, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, acknowledgement वगैरह ज़्यादा. But बाहर से when it comes ना, it is like equal to 100 times of what I get at home. So the journey, it has eased out. I have understood my strengths, my weaknesses. I have started to analyze things more, not to react less. So that way, the journey has become very smooth than what it was initially. So that is one major experience that I have had in recent times, just like 10 days ago.
So Swati, if I have to ask you to, first of all, congratulations. Your journey has been amazing. You've always been so, open to learning. That is the one more important thing, that we come from a space that where we think we know. Secondly, we are expected to know. That's another thing. We are expected to know without having any education in motherhood or any kind of, this,
Yeah.
or having any previous experience of getting married. कि भाई हर चीज की डिग्री है, शादी और बच्चा पैदा करने की कोई डिग्री नहीं है, और फिर भी उसमें परफेक्शन एक्सपेक्ट करना, both ends, from the husband's end and from the wife's end. So if you have to give one little message to the mothers who are going to watch this, or to the women who are going to watch this, in short, what is it going to be? And having this analysis and then implementing this analysis, it's not just having knowledge, it's implementing knowledge, applying it. So if you have to tell them this, what are you going to say to them?
What I can think of right now is that moms, please don't burden yourself. It is more of our own expectations than our kids or our husband's expectations. I have learned this a hard way, that it is like abhi bhi, it is us who try to prove ourselves more than we are tested. हमें लगता है कि हम ये कर दें, हम ये हासिल कर दें, बच्चे खुश कर दें, हस्बैंड खुश कर दें, या इन लॉज फॉर अ मैटर खुश कर दें. So it's like more like we have created it in our own mind. Okay? And secondly, please, we need to take each day as it comes. because like you have rightly said, Shivani, there is no degree, there is no course of motherhood. Okay? And all of us learn our own way. Everybody has our own specific, unique journeys of motherhood. So it cannot be compared either. We cannot compare our motherhood journeys, our our married lives. We cannot compare. Every journey is unique. So please, and there is no hard and fast any thumb rule as well to follow in both the relationships. So you have to just keep your calm, be yourself. Please try and take out some time for your own self, which is very important. This also I have learned. I have been like, burning myself in this grasti for last 15 years. Eventually, I have discovered that the most important thing is to give yourself time, be it a half an hour nap, be it a dance class or Zumba or yoga. That will give you a different kind of energy and confidence to sail through the day. The calmness is most important in this journey, and it's like it's a very long journey. We need to understand this foremost, that it's not a specific time period ka journey. It's a very endless journey it is. So we cannot say कि चलो 10 दिन की बात है ऐसा कर लेते हैं फिर अपना मजे कर लेंगे. So we need to be very calm and composed and just take each day as it comes, and please look after yourself. In fact, I was talking to Charu yesterday that I have started telling people to be a little more selfish now. You are a giver as a woman, as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter, so many relationships. बट थोड़ा सा सेल्फिश होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अपने खाने के बारे में सोचो, अपने डाइट के बारे में सोचो, अपने हेल्थ के बारे में सोचो, अपनी स्लीप के बारे में सोचो. लुक आफ्टर योर स्किन, योर हेयर, योर बॉडी. you know so and don't let sarcasm touch you. Don't let critiques also touch you कि अरे ये तो पतले होने के पीछे पड़ गई है, अपने खाने का ध्यान नहीं रखती है. It's like crazy world around you. So definitely I hope I have like put myself properly, presented myself. So please girls, please relax, please chill, and whenever you're in trouble, go to Ruchita, Shivani and Charu.
That was wonderful, Swati. I just love the way you express. It's just beautiful. So,
Thank you.
in a way, you were able to identify these things both about both your children and your husband and yourself, because your whole family has done it. So, you've understood the fact that what took you forward and what used to trouble you, and now you're able to sort of block yourself that okay, sarcasm affects me, I am not going to react to it. I
Certainly.
used to be jumpy, I'm not going to do that. So that
Certainly.
has helped you, and I'm just taking a liberty to say, to sum it
Yeah,
up, that
please, please.
yes,
Yeah.
great, excellent, excellent.